Alistair, in a recent news article, Daniel Ghali, I hope that's the right pronunciation, a senior commodity analyst, made a headline statement. The Silversqueeze endgame rally is approaching, as LBMA stockpiles could be depleted in 7 months. Could you elaborate on this?
Yes, I think what we have to do is to differentiate between stockpiles held in LBMA vaults and COMEX vaults, for that case, as well, which are held for long-term investors, hoarded silver, if you like, or silver which is held on behalf of commercial entities who would consume it in their production. You have that on the one hand, and you have the liquidity, the available liquidity, which the traders in the market have to, let us say, settle demands for delivery, to underwrite, if you like, the whole of the paper silver market. Now, it's very difficult to know where the distinction lies. You can do this to an extent with COMEX, because you can look at the split between registered for delivery and eligible for delivery. Eligible basically is the whole lot. Registered is the bit that can be delivered. So you can assume that that is sort of available, if you like, in terms of liquidity. The interesting thing is that America is now changing its view on silver insofar as they're beginning to regard this, if you like, as a critical mineral. Now, what that means is that the US government will be accumulating silver when it can, probably directly from mines, I would suggest in Mexico in particular, rather than intervening in the market to try and keep the price down. So what this will do is this will impact on liquidity as well. So while I would say it's difficult to define the lack of liquidity and how long the current liquidity will actually run out, what I can say that the overall background is very bullish for silver, full stop.